Hey friends, it is Monday, October 23rd. Bad news, you're not in class. Good news, you know where to go for your help. So what we're looking at today is called What is the Rule? And on Friday we did these charts. We did chart A and chart B, and we graphed those out, and we tried to find out what the rule was and to see if you could figure out, map figure 2, map figure 3, map figure 4, and then by extension figure out figure 5, and then go backwards, find figure 1. Then if you could figure that out, could you extend that all the way to figure 100? And it doesn't make sense to quantitatively, do it by the numbers and figure out and map out a full figure 100. But you could abstractly figure out what that rule is and then extend that pattern. So I have both of those reviews, review A and B, up on the Google Stream so you can check back to those. And those were here on that tool and then on this tool. So those are the ones that I'm explaining on the stream, so you can go look back at those. So what are we doing today? We're doing 3.1.1, and what we want to find out for our learning target is we will learn how to identify the rule for pattern and state it in words. And then the success criteria is, can you find and express regularity in repeated patterns? And then can you reason abstractly and quantitatively when you describe tile patterns? So quantitatively, like you can actually look at the numbers and count and make those predictions. And then abstractly, that's like when it gets so big, like the figure 100, that it doesn't make sense to just work with the numbers anymore. And you have to start thinking about the rules and the patterns. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pass out one piece of paper to you. And every group's going to have their big pieces of paper. And it says, what is the rule? So we're going to go to 3.1.1 in your book. Okay. And we're going to look at this pattern. Blank C, L, N, blank F, Q, blank, W, Y, blank, 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 blank. And if your group can figure that one out, let me know. And then I'll get you B. And B looks like this. Easy blank, blank light, hot cold, up down, left blank, blank 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 blank. If you can figure out that one, then we're going to C. C looks like this. See if you can figure out the rule between those shapes. Then D, then E, then F. So these are all one color, and these rule cards are a different color. What did I do here? Come on, Mr. Johnson. There we go. And then you can figure out those. And then if your group figures out all of the rule cards, then we go into a you do you, and you take some time, work with your group or talk with your group or do something fun as long as that's quiet. And then if that's done, we're looking at this sequence of numbers, this Fibonacci sequence, and Fibonacci sequence in nature, which is really cool. And again, that talks about mathematics as thinking and less about computation. And if we finish that up, we're going to look at two problems in our homework 3.7 and 3.8. Okay, so this is all in your ebook. We're on 3.1.1. We're looking at those rule cards, and we're looking at this video, which is also stream. That link is on your stream as well. Okay, and then in 3.1.1, we're looking at homework 3.7 and then 3.8. What is 3.7 and 3.8? Oh, that couple reviews. A review, an equation mat, use your homework tool, and then simplify and solve for x, right? So we have equation mat 2, and remember this means equal. And then we want to look at graphing. So we have one graph here and one graph here. Which car's faster? How can you tell? Where the lines cross at 280, what does that point represent? And then assuming that car A continued to travel at a constant speed, how far did car A travel in the first 4 hours? Okay, that's what we did today. So I hope you are well. I hope you're having a good Monday, and we miss you, and I hope that we see you on Tuesday. Okay, see ya.